Here are the best places to eat Hungarian food in Budapest. We are here at the Hungarikum Bisztro, which, as you can see, is hopping. It's really hard to get in here. It's so freaking cute, and they serve amazing, traditional, authentic Hungarian food. We're gonna dig into some crispy duck leg with cabbage and potatoes, pork loin with paprika sauce. I love paprika and everything. And oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this through the screen, guys. Sugar duck.
We love Hungarikum because it's not just a restaurant and it's not just a meal, it's a whole experience. With the yellow walls and the checkered tablecloths, you kind of feel like you're at grandma's house, but it's also so lively and the servers feel like friends. You cannot miss the free smoky bread with bacon and paprika that they give you, and make sure you make reservations or else you will not get in. Learn from our mistakes.
So we're here at Cafe Core. It's a very local place, very romantic, cozy feel. And here we have some duck, beef stroganoff with croquettes, and you can't really go wrong with any of these hearty dishes. It's so amazing. It's so good.
We are here at, it says on the windows, I'm gonna cheat, Szaletly, which is a beautiful restaurant outside of the main touristy area of Budapest. You can tell that's where the locals eat. It's a really cool vibe, and we have some incredibly amazing looking food. We got some sea bream, some venison, some amazing $3 wine, and we are very happy we made this little adventure outside of city center. So we are at Tati Farm to Table Restaurant. This is a Michelin guide restaurant in Budapest. We've got a little bit of everything, some fish, some stew, some roasted pumpkin with artichokes. It all looks amazing. It's beautiful in here. Very good for a cozy dinner spot.
The vibe here is classy with a modern Hungarian twist, and the food, oh, it is just as good as it looks.
You can always tell the quality of a restaurant by its bread. It's pretty darn good.
In the center of the Jewish quarter in Budapest, you will find Getto Gulyas, a super vibey, super popular, and really reasonably priced place to get goulash, pork, which is their various kinds of stew. I'm trying a venison stew, and Caleb has a lamb paprikash, which looks and smells amazing. That's a big breast, and I'm excited about it. When you're in Budapest and one of you wants to eat Hungarian food, but one doesn't, you come to Menza. This is the place to go for a very eclectic menu. They have the traditionals, and then they also have duck burgers, Thai food, a little bit of everything. It's a good cook. It's time for food! Yay! So we're at Negro Mangelica for dinner, which is our top place to go in Budapest, and they are known for their pork dishes. Of course, they have other things too if you don't want pork, but that is kind of like their piece de resistance, one could say. So of course, we got pork 2 different ways. We got a stewed pork cheek, which looks incredible with some dumplings, and then their pork tenderloin with some mushrooms and some fried things. I don't know what it is, but they both look amazing. We are here at Porc Prezli, which is apparently one of the best traditional Hungarian restaurants in Budapest.
And we have some things to try here. The first thing is chicken paprikash, and if you couldn't guess, it has some paprika in it. The second thing we have is some duck with some plum sauce surrounding it. I can't wait to dive in.
And a cabbage strudel, which never heard of a savory strudel, but here we go. So we're at Rosenstein, which is the place to go for Hungarian. I think it's like a Hungarian Jewish kind of fusion restaurant in Budapest. It's a little outside of city center, but you must check it out, they say, and so we did. And we were starting with a very traditional fish soup. I'm kind of scared because it looks really spicy, very red. There's a big carp in it, so let's see how it is. Very, very fishy, but pretty dang good. Extra resistance is a venison leg, which we've never had, which comes sliced with some gravy and some big old dumplings and a nice little rosy duck breast with some kale ragu. We are here at Retek Bistro, a very classic Hungarian restaurant, but with amazing romantic vibes. They serve a modern Hungarian food, so we are trying some beef cheek with some kind of roasted veggie sauce, and of course some duck leg, because we love duck and Hungarians love duck, so we're all about it. With some kind of cheese pancake crepe, beef cheek, beef cheek. Let's, ooh, falls up. Oh. Doesn't really fall off the bone, but it looks very glistening, so you know it's gonna be good. It's like grandma's stew, but in beef cheek.
So we have some palinka here, which is a spirit made from grapes, and it's 50% alcohol. So this is a heavy hitter, which is why I have my water here close, but I'm gonna chase this thing, I'm pretty sure. So back to college days, here we go. My throat is on fire. My belly is warm. Yeah, that stuff's strong.